Hornet M25 Kit. If you're a big fan of video games, you'll probably recognize the first weapon on today's list. This is a kit designed to improve standard airsoft weapons and make airsoft battles more exciting. Specialists from the French company Avatar were inspired by the franchise Mass Effect. The kit is compatible with a fairly large number of models. You can even use it with real weapons like a Glock pistol. With this kit, your weapon will look like the Hornet M25, the memorable submachine gun that appeared in Mass Effect 3 and Mass Effect Andromeda. The kit comes in two colors, black obsidian and white Cerberus. It costs $140. The BO Fabarm STF-12. Some airsoft weapons are designed to look realistic. A great example is the Fabarm STF-12, a shotgun developed by French company BO Manufacture. This is an airsoft model, but it looks as authentic and real as the original. It stands out for its Picatinny rail that allows you to mount a collimator sight on the shotgun. There is no folding stock. The shotgun is made from ABS plastic. The Fabarm STF-12 uses 6mm caliber projectiles and fires 3 BBs at once. The capacity of the magazine is 30 pellets. The muzzle velocity is 95 meters per second, and the shotgun weighs just under 2 kilograms and costs about $86. Desert Warrior 4.3. This airsoft gun is produced by the Japanese brand Tokyo Marui, one of the most popular companies in the airsoft market. The very first copy was released in 2009, but the model is still in demand and it's very popular among airsoft players. The sand color scheme matches the name Desert Warrior. The weight of the gun is 830 grams. It has a low cap magazine with a capacity of 25 BBs. The muzzle velocity is 85 meters per second. In general, the model stands out for being compact and easy to modify. The removable Picatinny rail increases the functionality of the gun. For example, the gun can be equipped with a flashlight or a tactical laser. The price of this gun is $110. If you don't like its classic look, you can try this reliable and high-quality gun. Specifically for fans of all things unusual, Japanese experts have developed a modified version. This is the Steelbuster P2911A1. It has a 74mm barrel and shoots 11mm BBs. The damage range is almost the same as that of conventional guns. The manufacturer claims it provides maximum accuracy at distances of up to 10 meters and high accuracy at distances of up to 20 meters. The bright red color highlights the carbide metal used for this gun. Vulcan ASL Series M4. This airsoft electric gun was developed by the American brand Vulcan and is part of the Accelerate Sports line. It's a high-quality plastic copy of the real rifle. Its compact size and relatively light weight make it an ideal weapon for confined spaces. The housing has an original shape. A key mod rail and an unusual receiver. All these features give the rifle a modern but also quite intimidating appearance. There are magazine detach buttons both on the right and on the left sides of the receiver, which makes it convenient for right-handed and left-handed users alike. The fire mode selector can also be found on both sides. The price of the gun is about $165. M134A2 Vulcan minigun. It's time to talk about some heavy artillery, or at least something that looks like it. The next airsoft weapon on our list is the unique M134A2 machine gun from the Chinese manufacturer Classic Army. It's a modified version of the multi-barrel high-speed minigun, which in turn is a smaller version of the M61 Vulcan rotary cannon, hence the name. You can see similar weapons in Predator, Terminator 2, The Expendables 3, and Furious 7. The gun is very popular, and many users don't even mind the price, $4,000. Well, who wouldn't want to play with a gun like that at the Terminator? 6 barrels and a rotating block significantly increase the rate of fire. The M134A2 can fire up to 3,000 shots per minute. The muzzle velocity can be adjusted by the valve and ranges from 100 to 170 meters per second. The built-in magazine is designed for 2,000 BBs. The gun uses a rechargeable battery and a gas-compressed air system at the same time. The machine gun is almost a meter long. It looks impressive, but it also weighs a lot, almost 12 kilograms. Cyma Standard VSR-10. If you prefer something more traditional and classic, you'll definitely like this simple but stunning sniper rifle from the Chinese brand Cyma. It has a magazine that can hold up to 55 BBs. It has a spring system trigger, which means that you have to reload the spring before each shot. The rifle is 115 centimeters long and it weighs 2.5 kilograms. And perhaps the most remarkable feature is the huge number of accessories produced for this sniper rifle by a wide variety of companies. So you can give your Cyma Standard VSR-10 a unique appearance, providing it with a custom stock or barrel. The price starts at $100. Cybergun M249 Para. Here's a very interesting airsoft gun made by the French company Cybergun. The M249 Para has an impressive magazine capacity of 500 BBs and an impressive muzzle velocity of 120 meters per second. Unlike all other models, this machine gun has an automatic high-cap magazine. The range of fire is increased to 60 meters. Also, we want to mention the high-speed firing rate, up to 850 BBs per minute. This weapon will cost you at least $220. Crytek Chris Vector. Here is the last gun on our list. In fact, the Chris Vector is a real submachine gun developed by the transformational defense industries. And the version that you see on the screen is a realistic replica created especially for airsoft battles. Chris Vector from the American company Crytek boasts a 6mm caliber and a 95BB magazine. The length of the machine gun varies from 445 to 665mm and it weighs 2.6 kilograms. The fire mode selector and the fuse are on both sides for increased ease of use. The body's made of metal and plastic, and the muzzle velocity is 110 to 120 meters per second. The Crytek Chris Vector is available for $450.